Hello teachers and welcome back. We are going to discuss another application that you can use for your online class, and this time we are going to discuss Slido or Slido.com. The counterpart of Slido is Mentimeter. So instead of using Mentimeter, I'm going to show you how to register your account in Slido, and then after that create a Slido poll, POLL, and then how to give the code or link to the participants so they can join during your online class. So Slido usually is seen and used during webinars, but again, you can use this during your online class. So first, let us get the definition of Slido. So what is Slido? By definition, Slido, pronounced as Slido, is an easy-to-use Q&A, question and answer, and polling platform for live or remote meetings, events, classes, and webinars. Event planners can set up a Slido event in less than a minute, which is true. And I am going to show you later on, including the features embedded in this particular application. And then I think they have a trial app, and they have also a free app, and then they also have a paid application. So all participants need to join the conversation in a simple event code or link. So that was what I was saying earlier, that you just need to present the link or the QR code in order for the participants to join, even if you're conducting your meetings or your online classes live. Okay, so how do we start? You go to your Google browser and then look for Slido or Slido.com. So in this case, let's just use Slido as the keyword. And then you will be presented with the following options. So I used this link, www.sli.do, and then just click that particular link. And then here, you will be prompted to sign up. Since I already signed up, what you need to do, if this is the first time that you're going to use Slido, register by providing your email address and a password for your account. It is as easy as that. Provide an email address that you want to use and the password that you're going to use for your particular Slido account. So in this case, I've already registered. So what I need to do is log in, and then I can either just log in using my Google. So since this is the account that I used, okay. So if this is the account, then just click and wait for it to log into the application. So again, since I've already used this, I already have one file here which is entitled Online Learning Using Digital Tools and Applications. So all I need to do is to present this to the participants. Now, what are the features that you can use in Slido? Again, Slido is a Q&A and poll application that you can use in order to ask, verify, assess, and evaluate perspectives of participants during your class or during webinar. So in this case, I'll just create one from scratch. So all you need to do is click the green button on the right side of your screen, which is entitled New Slide or Add New Slide, and then provide the following information. So let's just call this sample, and then the date, the starting date and the end date wherein you will be using this Slido file. And then this is the event code. Don't worry about the event code. I am also going to show you how to generate your QR code, including the event code later on after you have accomplished or completed your file in Slido. Okay, so actually this is just the information needed. And then after that, just click Schedule Slido so that you can create your new file. Okay, now So these are the features that you can use for your Q&A and poll. So create polls either using multiple choice, word cloud. So this is what will appear in your screen. On the right side of your screen, as I hover over the features, you're going to see what it will look like in your screen as the participants enter their choices or answers. So this is multiple choice. And then if I hover over word cloud, look at the right side of your screen. That is the concept of word cloud. So if there are words that are similar, the word will become larger or bigger, meaning this is the most frequently entered answer in this particular poll, which is word cloud. Then you have another one. If I hover over quiz, so this is the interface that you will see under quiz. And then after that, you also have rating, and then open text. You can ask questions, and the participants can readily type their answers in this particular space. So instead of using the chat box in Google Meet or Zoom, you can separate the answers of your participants and at the same time record them using Slide.com or Slido.com. And then the last one is ranking, which is new for this particular, which is a new feature for Slido or Slido.com. Okay, so let's create one sample example word cloud, and then we'll generate the link after this. So all you need to do is to type in the question that you would like to ask. So example, I would like to know and give them a clear instruction that I'll just use all caps in one word. So describe your experience in teaching online class. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So you can already imagine the words or answers that will pop up. And then again, the specific instruction is just in one word. Hopefully in one word they can compress their idea on this particular question, and then after that you can already save. Okay, so the poll has been created, and you can see on the left side of your screen the question is already there. If you're going to play, by the way, on the leftmost part of your screen, left side of your screen, there is this tab entitled participant mode. If you click this, you would see what the participants will see when you run the poll. Okay, so let's click this one. So they have a simulation of a cell phone, and then if you play this, so again you have a simulation of the screen that will appear on the participant side. Okay, now how okay, so example, the answer that I will be giving will be stressed, and then if I send this, okay, so in one word, this is the main question. Okay, so this is where I'm going to enter stressed, and then click enter, and then so as you can see on this side, the host will also see, and this is going to compile. So since I'm just one of the participants, simulating one of the participants of the event, there is only one answer that will appear here. So if the word stressed appeared 10 times as compared to other answers, you're going to see in the word cloud that stressed will become bigger and bigger in terms of size or font size, meaning most of the participants experience this most as compared to other answers. So Basically, that's how word cloud works, and how what you can see as a host and what the participants can see in their respective gadgets, whether it's a cell phone or laptop. So we're just going to exit here, and then we're just going to end this one. Now, another is earlier I said that you don't need to memorize the code, which is this one, the event code, because when you click present, you would readily generate a link, including the code, wherein the participants can just scan them using your screen. So this is how we're going to generate the code. You just click present, and then after that, that is the generated code. And so I'm just going to use full screen. So this is the generated code 127784, and the QR code that they can use, the participants can use in order to participate or log in to the Slido event, the Q&A and poll event. So it's again as simple as that. If you already want to use your particular file, it will automatically generate the following code. Okay. So again, you try to browse and explore the features that I mentioned earlier. So I'm going to create another sample and show you the features one more time. So if I'm going to create another poll, okay, here on top of this particular window, you have multiple choice. You can change this. Just click the downward arrow, and from multiple choice, the features that I mentioned earlier, like word cloud, quiz rating, open text, and ranking, will already be present on this particular poll that you're going to create. And then after that, you can just present your question. So if we are going to rank the following, and then what are they going to rank? Example, rank just for the purpose of this. Okay, so rank the following A, B, C, D, and then after that you're going to launch, and you're going to see the sample of your poll. And then after this, you can just save. Okay, we're going to save this poll, and then after this you can just save your work. And then even if you log out or exit from your account in slido.com, your information, questions will still be you will still be able to recover them and use them for your presentation. Just make sure it is within the boundary of the schedule that you set earlier on. So basically, this is how simple to use slido.com. Okay, again, the counterpart of this is Mentimeter. So we just use one, which is Slido, and I hope again you would be able to use this in your online class. So thank you very much, and again, stay safe, and God bless to each and every one of you.